Well, here's another one of our certified BUYAVETTE Corvettes. This is 2004 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB convertible. The miles are right, the price is right, and this is a beautiful car. You can check all that information right down below. You can click the link below this video. It'll take you to the pricing and more detailed photos. Again, this is a BUYAVETTE certified car. You can see the free Carfax and more photos at the link below, and it'll also take you to a whole bunch of other great, beautiful Corvettes on our showroom floor. This is machine silver on the exterior, black on the interior, beautiful convertible top and under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine with automatic transmission. Now, factory features include the $1,200 1SB preferred equipment group. We always remind you, this includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and tele, auto-dimming rear view mirror, auto headlights. It has the F55 magnetic selective ride control, beautiful polished wheels, dual power sport seats, dual zone electronic climate control, has a wonderful Bose CD stereo system with fog lamps, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on this car, of course, is power, including the power antenna, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options. And this 2000 Corvette convertible shows just 34,658 miles, and it is in really nice condition. The car's paint is very good, has a stunning shine, and the convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, as are the factory polished wheels. This is going to be a beautiful car. It's going to turn heads. The interior, as you can see, well, it shows very good factory leather seats, very good to excellent steering wheel and center console, and good condition door panels. And again, this is BUYAVETTE certified. Unlike most dealers and private sellers are off a car with little more than a wash, our certified Corvettes are hand-picked, fully inspected, serviced, and brought up to our standards before sale. And every certified Corvette includes a 2-year, 50,000-mile limited warranty at no extra cost. Drive away with confidence at BUYAVETTE.net. And in fact, you can buy online easily and with confidence as well. So give us a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button when you subscribe, and you'll be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're BUYAVETTE.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience, the first time and the next time as well. So give us a call today. If you're coming through Atlanta, stop in and see us. BUYAVETTE.net, Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.